Esteemed Vice Rector, dear colleagues, distinguished students, I'm honored to start the ceremony of white coats. It is the first time in our university when you have this ceremony, and I would like to thank you to your representatives because it was their idea, firstly, to do this white ceremony, white coat, but firstly, it was thought to be for the 6th year. After that, of course, we as the university, we adapted the idea and we wanted to say hello and welcome in our university with this white ceremony. This will be your place for the next 6 years. I hope that after 6 years, you will be proud of you. Now, we are proud of you, and our mission is to learn new medicine. Sometimes we will be quite tough, other times we will be friendly, but our final aim is to become the best doctors in the world. And because we are a team, I want to present you our team. Anything will be possible without the Vice Rector for International Relations, and I would like to applaud Professor Kardosh Mihaela because she made everything for today. Thank you, Mihaela. She has a lot of plans with the Faculty of Medicine in English, and we thank you for this. Also, my right hand at the Dean office, it is the Vice Dean, who is Professor Bacărea Anca. And you also have a tutor. Everything, any problems that you have, firstly, you should address to your tutor, who is Senior Lecturer, Dr. Chinezu Laura. Before going to the tutor, you will go to the secretary. So the secretary of your year, it is Laura Pop. And when you have official problems, of course, you will address to the head of Laura Pop, who is Mr. Dan Groșan. And of course, you have colleagues and you have representatives of the years that are today with you because they want to learn you from their experience. The representative from the 6th year is Dennis. I will say just the first name. Thank you, Dennis. The representative of the 5th year is Diana. The representative of the 4th year is Daria. The representative of the 3rd year is Ciprian. And the representative of the 2nd year is Musafar. And because he is the youngest one, probably you will address most of the questions to him, so Musafar, good luck with this. Now I invite the Vice Rector for International Relations to address you a few words.
Esteemed Dean, Vice Dean, distinguished colleagues, and dear students. Today marks a defining moment in your lives. As you put on the white coats for the first time, you embrace a symbol, a commitment to compassion, integrity, and service to humanity. The white coat stands for something far greater than its fabric it's made of. It represents trust, the trust that patients will place in you, often in their most vulnerable times. It represents responsibility, the duty to heal, to listen, and to stand for what is right. And it represents hope, the belief that through science, empathy, and perseverance, we can make the world healthier and more human. I am especially proud of the diverse community gathered here today. You come from all over corners of the world, each of you bringing your own stories, your own dreams and culture. And in this great hall, we see today not just future doctors, but ambassadors of global understanding. Your journey will not always be easy. You may miss home. You struggle with the new system or face moments of doubt. But remember that resilience is the quiet companion of every great healer. And here at UMPhST, you are not alone. You have a community that believes in you, supports you, and celebrates your courage to pursue your dreams far from home. Today, as you put on your white coats, take a deep breath and feel the weight of it. Not as a burden, but as a promise to your future patients, your families, and the most important, to yourself, to learn with humility, to serve with compassion, and to practice with integrity. Congratulations, future doctors. The world is waiting for your healing touch. Wear your white coats with pride.
Thank you for these nice words. Wear your white coats with pride. Do you realize, my future colleagues, that in 6 years you'll be doctors? Now you are like children, like our children. What should you do and what is necessary, what is mandatory to do in order to be good doctors? First of all, although it's difficult, try to learn. Sacrifice your weekends, stay and study, because it's mandatory to insert in your brain everything that is possible. You will not recuperate anything after you finish the university. You will do it, this one. Usually we say that a doctor that has experience try to establish the diagnosis of the patient after they try to examine the patient, after discussing with the patient, looking in the files, and maybe he need one night to think to put the diagnosis. The resident usually discuss with the patient very shortly, look attentively on the files, and establish rapidly the diagnosis. You, my dear colleagues, as you are students, usually, and your colleagues from the other years can confirm, usually you try to establish the diagnosis just looking at the patient. You already know what the patient has. It's not necessary to know too many words in Romanian to discuss with him or her. It's enough to go in the hospital, to look at the patient, and you know anything. Hey, I will disappoint you. The medicine is not so easy, my dear colleagues. The medicine means, firstly, humanity. If you want to be doctor, if you like to work with the people, practically this is the secret. Because in this way, we shouldn't push you to pass the exams. Because, however, you will learn, you will study, you will look on the internet. Maybe you will not get 10 to all of the exams. It's not our reason to have a students of 10. Our aim is to have doctors of 10, firstly in humanity. The future doctors, and in 6 years probably the artificial intelligence will be developed a lot. The future doctors are those doctors that take time to discuss with the patients, that have ethical principles, which is quite important, and more important than this, my dear colleagues, is to learn to work as a team. You will observe in the hospitals that there are doctors that are the best one, but they are the best one because they know everything. Those one that believe that knows everything doesn't know anything. It's necessary to recognize when you are doing mistake. It's necessary to be honest. Since I am dean, I saw a lot of, grandmothers and grandfathers that has cancers as any time in my life. Why? Because the students want to have absence, to have motivation of absences, and they come with a lot of lies. I prefer those students that is honest and comes and say, today I couldn't go to the lecture because I wanted to sleep more, or maybe my girlfriend is here and I wanted to stay also Monday morning with her. Is more honest, believe me, and the teachers will appreciate more. Have I right? My dear future colleagues, I'm waiting those moments when at the end of the 6 years, here in Targu Mures, or maybe in other part, some of you will be transferred during the university, but after the 6 years, I would like to remember that one day someone gave you a code and they told you, be proud with this code, be honest and respect your patient as you respect your brother, your mother, your sister, and maybe the relatives. Be honest with yourself, and in this way, you will be the best doctors in the world. Congratulations for being students, and I hope that you will be the best doctors. Thank you. Now I invite the Vice Dean to address few words to you.
Welcome, everyone. This ceremony marks your official entry into the profession of medicine, and we are very proud to give you the white coat. The white coat has served as the symbol of physician for more than 100 years. The white coat is much more than just a protection uniform. It is a symbol of professionalism and of the immense responsibility you are about to undertake. It is the commitment to serve others, to treat every patient with dignity and respect. As you begin this journey, remember that medicine is a calling. It is not for everyone. It is about more than just professional knowledge. It is about kindness and, as the Dean said, compassion and being human. Your white coat is a daily reminder to put your patient's need first and sacrifice yourself. You are not alone on this journey. You have next to you your future colleagues, you have the teacher, you have the Dean's office to help you. Your colleagues now will be your doctor colleagues further on, maybe your competitors. That's why it is so important to know to work as a team. This path is difficult, but is very rewarding, assuming that at the end of the day, you know you heal the patient, you establish the good diagnosis and the correct treatment. The white coat you are about to receive is a symbol of the person you are becoming. Welcome to the family, and we are so excited to see the incredible physicians you are going to be. Thank you very much.
The white coat ceremony. Now is the festive moment that I hope to remain in your heart for life. In order to prepare this ceremony, I will invite your tutor to read your names in alphabetical order, and also the team that was designed to put your coat on your shoulders will be practically here in front of you. You know what is necessary to do, so let's start the ceremony.
Okay, let's start. Abadia Adam. Abdullah Hamid Aras. Adorian Barbara Lenke. Aftab Skina Bibi. Alal Outmani Amira. Ahmed Diana Daher. Akosh Chomo, Al Ramadan Eido Mohammad, Anitas Luca Otniel, Aroiz Lekanda Luna, Avad Mohamed Amina, Balog Yvette, Banari Adrian, Barbezieux Bancarel Rafael Milankevin, Barech Homaira, Berton Ethan Luis, Bolap Camil Iman, Bouvier Eden Carol Evelyn, Boaek Maya, Bozdoc Răzvan Achim, Brett Roman David, Buicu Victor Bogdan, Carboni Alessandro, Ciurescu Sofie, and Cofaru Ioan. Comes Matis Luis, Constantinidis Andrew, Oselu Gianfranca, Dai Maxim, Daudi Ismail, Darcy Michael, Iricaud Marion, Deutschmann Zoe Lucia, Doko Ahmed, Deher Eliel Emanuel, Dorneanu Renata Mara, Eged Alexia, El Haddad Ahmed, Emily Coleman Cassandra Adeline, Enendo Aoife, and Faisal Malaika. Philip Eric, Gamez Blanca Carla, Hasabal Rasul Abir Mohamed Ali, Hassan Javad, Hobson Oliver, Hussein Muhammad Bilal, and Ibrahim Mohamed Abdullah. Impec Isabel Sophie, Jamak Maxamed Saimi, Jadidi Meril Leif Kian, Kamdem Kamguya Kamil Rebecca, Khalid Burshal Laila, Kirali Rebecca, Laszlo Bolas, Manasero Nicolas André, Meliti Emna, Mesarosh Lila, Mirza Larim, Moalim Omar Amina, Moga Ileana Iris, Mohamed Abdirahman Farah, Mohamed Ali Anisa, Mohamed Alia Bashir, Mohamed Moshin Ahmed, Mohamud Sabri, Nog Bornobosh Ishvan, Nicoara Evelin, Obaid Bashir Ahmed, Omar Anas Yassin, Omar Nasin Yassin, Omar Sabri, Otman Diana, Usad Lea, Pimentel Leon Juan José, Rakoshi Seivard Gheorghi, Rana Kutsia, Rasolmian Valim Mahmoud Sania, Rifi Sofia, Roșca Ana Sofia, Ruzeau Nofli Meisan René, Rustam Zakaria, Sade Ali, Salameh Yara, Sanchez Rego David, Skridon Radu Andrei, Deitna Zarova Magriban, Shakil Nuhaid, Sheikh Muse Ahlam, Shredsa Subira, Simko Banu, Daniela Eilen. Sylvester Boko Norbert. Dul Gino. Tuyoshi Terutto. Tutuyanu Alex Magnus. Buesa Sokar. Buduji David Rex. Valero Cipien. Basket Kayade.
Congratulations, you have the first white coat. I like the color of the room now, it's more whitish, more proudy, more doctors. Just 6 years, my dear colleagues, is not too much, just 6 years. And now, in order to mark this moment, it is necessary to read the professional commitment, which is a solemn declaration of dedication to the principles and ethics of the medicine. I invite you to stand up and to repeat after me this commitment. In front of my peers, the professors who will guide me through the years of study ahead, and the academic community I am part of, I put on the white coat for the first time. I solemnly pledge my commitment to the medical profession. Integrity, empathy, and care for patients. I commit myself to making my path in this profession one of continuous learning, respect for my teachers and colleagues, mutual trust, and solidarity. The pledge I make today, my desire for self-improvement, and the white coat I will wear with pride, will guide me on my journey on knowledge. Good luck, my dear colleagues and future doctors. You have now the official white coats, which is a nice and important moment in your life. Thank you, my dear colleagues, my dear students, for this nice moment. It was first time in the life of our community when we have this ceremony. So you are the pioneers of the white coat ceremony. We will see what we will prepare for the 6th year when we will have the big ceremony for graduation. It's also an important and nice day. Dennis already have emotions because there are only few months till he will work with the patient and he will decide already the diagnosis. Dennis, good luck. You are in the 6th year now. We thank our faculty, guests, and families for being part on this special day, and they will look on YouTube after the registration will be there. We wish you to have an year with inspiration, perseverance, and fulfillment in your medical studies. Congratulations once again, and welcome to our academic community. Start to learn because in few weeks you have the session. Thank you and have a good day.